Hello guys, so welcome to the new vlog. We are actually in Sweden right now, in my town Halmstad. And if you wonder why I'm talking like this, it's because I took my wisdom tooth out and I'm still like paralyzed in my face. So that's why I look like a fucking crazy person. But yeah, we're gonna go and eat sushi now, and it's raining.
Nice.
Swedish summer. And then we're gonna go to a mall and like walk there and stuff like that. So we're gonna be here. It's Friday today, the 9th.
Yeah. No. Yes.
Yeah, and we're gonna leave the 13th next week on Tuesday. So 5 days. Yay! Where's your first impression of Sweden or Halmstad in general?
I have seen nothing.
Where you said that the trains were...
Oh yeah, like it's normally like every train is late. Also in Sweden, in Berlin.
Yeah.
I think
so
in Barcelona it's also not
bad.
good. And here I was like 2 minutes before the train was supposed to arrive. And
yeah, it was very punctual.
No, amazing and super comfortable and everything.
Yay! Guys, this is my favorite sushi place in Halmstad.
It's a
Like,
fucking bomb.
It's called Kinohashi, and it's so good. Like I swear to God, it's so big. Okay, I'm gonna have to remember to eat on my right side. What do you think about the Swedish market, supermarket?
This is like heaven. Like if I die, I will. Oh, the fridges.
Oh yeah. Crazy, right? Guys, we've just been shopping. Oh, I'm not in focus, but whatever. And now I'm showing Julia the supermarkets here, because Swedish supermarkets are fucking satisfying.
Also, I got a discount because I have euros.
Yeah. The Swedish, like the whatever, she gets like discount. And I'm watching the table tennis finale. And yeah, been shopping a bit. She's been shopping a bit. Yeah, it's raining a lot right now, so it's nice to going in the mall. And I'm still like, you see my lip? Why is it like that? It's like crooked. You see? Like that one is like, bro, I've lost feelings in my lips. Oh my gosh, yeah. Guys, okay, we're gonna buy stuff so Julia can try. But I don't know what. That's typical Swedish. They just literally bubble water. Do you want to taste one? It's actually, I mean, I don't like it, but maybe not a big one. Let's buy a small one. Oh, up here. Oh, ananas. You want to buy the ananas?
This one? Hallon.
That's, yeah. That and that.
Ooh, yeah. There's no...
Mango and lime. Pear.
Mango and lime would go really good.
I have no idea.
Or ananas.
Maybe.
Because I feel like I can try it in Germany.
True.
I'll try ananas.
Yeah, girl.
Ooh, I'm excited. It's like gold bars. Where's my chocolate?
So much.
Oh, cookie dough.
Oh, damn, that's new.
I'm gonna try that.
Guys. Mint. Snus.
Peach.
Yeah.
Wow.
Here is the one to me. Okay guys, just gonna try Luca, ananas, packungsfrukt.
Oh, at first it's a little bit sour.
But it doesn't taste that much.
But the second taste is, it tastes really like passion fruit.
Yeah.
Ananas, I don't feel it that much.
Okay, let's try the Ramlösa.
Ramlösa, huh?
Ramlösa.
Ramlösa.
Why do you make that sound?
Because you see it so...
No, I say it Ramlösa. Wait.
No, you say it. You don't say it like that.
Yes. girl.
Oh. Oopsies.
It's raining outside, so that's... oh shit.
What do you mean it's raining outside? That's why.
Water.
100% you're gonna say you like yours better.
Yeah, I don't really like it. Wait. Guys, stress.
Oh, but it's like more bubbly. This is not bubbly, right?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
Doesn't taste as much, right?
No, but it's good. Like it's average.
Yeah. We're gonna try this. Julia likes the orange croquant, it's called.
So,
But it wasn't there now, but we're gonna find it later.
wanna try you?
Yeah. Just trying only one. Ah.
Tastes like chocolate. But I love this chocolate. Madabu.
Cookie dough.
Smells so good.
Guys, this is a Swedish drink. Festis. Right? So good. I swear.
When it hits the throat. Oh, I love this.
Right?
Approve.
Yes, this is the city. Guys, we're gonna go to a restaurant called Sigges, and they have like tapas and like it's really cute there actually. And yeah, I'm so tired. But yeah, see you there. Guys, look! Guys, more food. So you see, whatever. Super good. Hello guys, it is Saturday and it's like 1:30.
Yeah.
And I have work today 6 till 12 because it was like, yeah, overtime, whatever. I get more money. But now we're gonna walk and eat lunch. But yeah, I haven't shown her the town yet, but we're gonna do that later. But look guys, it's so pretty. It's just raining a lot, but
Have you never shown your town?
no. Oh. Look at all the boats by the water. Guys, we are now in, it's called Söderfamiljen, which means South Family, I don't know. And it's super cute here. And I ordered the baked potatoes and she ordered the chicken bowl. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. The decoration is like so funky and like nice. And it's like by the water. But it's like bad weather, so.
Whoa.
Guys, finally.
This smells so good. Oh my god, and that looks so good.
Julia, what did you say? How much did you pay? 14? 15? Very cheap.
Something.
I think it was 15.
Do you think I should mix this?
Yeah. Guys, we ordered some coffee. So cute.
So Swedish.
Wow. Guys, the sun is blue sky and the sun is out. Shine, shine, shine. The sun is beaming. Guys, so this is the city. It's actually kind of cute. Like the buildings are cute.
I mean,
yeah, let's go. Maybe Nova works. Oh my god, I forgot to like fucking ask her. But yeah. Guys, we are in Amen. It's a Swedish activewear brand. but it's so nice. Like I really recommend it. It's good quality, but it's quite expensive, but it's really good quality. Like all my workout stuff is from Amen, so look, it's really cute. Okay guys, we are at the espresso house here and having fika. This is mud cake, typical Swedish, kaka with whipped cream. This is chocolate ball. Yeah, and it's so nice here. Like it was raining literally like 2 seconds ago, but yeah, the sun is out now. Yeah, guys, we have just finished fika, and oh, fucking hell. And now we're gonna watch It Ends With Us.
We're gonna cry.
Yeah, so this is me before It Ends With Us.
This is me before It Ends With Us.
And this is she before It Ends With Us. Yeah, super happy, you see?
Happy day, happy life. Sun.
Yeah. Guys, this is the cinema. It's really cute. I bought this snack. Popcorn. Guys, oh my god, I did not look okay. We just watched it.
This was experience.
I cried so much. I cried so much. It was, yeah. It was actually justified as the book, I feel like. They really like captured it, but damn.
Oh, no, I still wanna play.
Oh my god. Guys, we're at Pizzeria Coffee, and this is pizza salad, and it's a Swedish thing. So Swedish? Yeah, try it.
It's normal, no?
Yeah. Guys, this is pasta gorgonzola. Pasta carbonara. Hello guys, it is 12 and it is Sunday, 11th August, and we are now gonna go and get lunch, and later we're gonna rent a car and then drive out to the sea. Yay. So today is gonna be sea sightseeing. Yeah. And then we're gonna swim. Guys, the sun is out. And so this is called the Nissan, like the river. And yeah, it was also by the where we ate yesterday and stuff like that. But yeah, it's really nice, super cute. Like, and everyone like usually walks this route like around the river because yeah, it's really peaceful and nice. Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh. So guys, we are having brunch at Brunchen Bar, I think it's called. And I took the avocado with toast and scrambled eggs. And she took the salmon with avocado. And this is pancakes. Oh no! It fell! No! Fuck, and then coffee. We're not eating them. Pancakes.
Als ik zeg één van de requisieten, ik zeg dit is ons hoe wij als voedsel.
But you do things like that.
Ons model zelf hebben wij. Je moet ons niet betalen. Dus je hebt geen enkele investering, geen enkel risico.
Oh,
Het
yeah.
enige dat wij vragen is een percentage op de omzet die we zelf
I was
genereren.
just admiring this beauty.
Ik zeg, we vragen zelfs geen exclusief voor.
It's like caramelized oats.
Dat we fijne kansen krijgen. Als je nog met andere bedrijven zo'n sales uitbesteden, dat we equal playing field hebben. Ja, en ook gelijke tarieven. Ja. Ik zeg, wij zijn de eerste bij jullie. Wij bepalen samen de tarieven. Ja.
Kies leuk.
Dus ja, ze hadden 5 klanten. Het was al 5 familie. Ja.
So fucking nice. Operator. Also, oh, I don't know if I told, but like, she paid like 580 Swedish crowns, and if I pay with mine, yeah. Guys, we are now by the sea again, and we are gonna, yeah, we're gonna swim. We changed to, oh, bathing suits. And yeah, it's pretty cold, like it's windy as hell, but yeah, whatever. Julia, how was your first swim in the North Sea? Come with me. Come. I'll show you. Here we have stairs. Oh, it's a little bit cold.
Very, very, very cold.
And like windy, right? The rock.
Okay, it's not turquoise blue anymore. Nice.
So cold. And that's how you swim it.
In Sweden. Ow. Period, girl. Guys, we're on to our next adventure. We're going to like a natural reservoir. It's called Little Thailand. Yeah, and it was like a bit of a road, okay? Let me tell you.
We have to film this when it's uphill.
Yeah. We have to like walk like 25 minutes to get here, but
yeah,
I hope the car is still there. Yeah, and we're able to get home. Okay, we're there soon. Whee! Guys, we're literally alone here. That's so crazy.
it's like a big pool for us. Wait, then wait for me, and I'll come with you. Oh my God! Come back, come back. Let's go. But I need to pee. Woo! Oh. Oh.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 1
Should I stand here? No, that's too high up. Oh, it's kind of nice. Oh, I have makeup.
Whatever.
I forgot.
She's a siren. Wow.
Oh my god, I don't see. Can you open the eyes? Both?
I can, but I don't see.
Wait.
Why do we look? I look so tan. Or like we both look so tan.
Thank you for including me. Finally.
I know. You can taste the difference. Drink both. You can taste the difference. Bruh, like directly. Okay, can you like switch and I will try to guess.
Okay, so I give you one.
Where's the opening?
Wait. There.
Pepsi Max.
Again. No, don't close the eyes, bitch, if you know. Wait,
I'm closing.
wait.
Here. Cola. Fuck. It wasn't as strong the taste.
Sure, you know so much.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah. Guys, we're at Sweden and Company, it's called. And we've ordered mussels and wings. And also Nova is with us. And oh my god. Like, so it's like mini, and then we also ordered wings, so yay. Guys, the chicken wings. Chicken wings and the fries. Hello guys, it is 12th August, Monday, 12 p.m. and we are now at an Indian place, which is really good here. Having lunch, and then we're actually going to the beach because it's so good weather today. And yeah, see you guys. The tikka masala,
Same.
and the naan bread. Yay. Guys, so this is Tylösand. It's so sunny. Oh, nice. When it's not windy. Oh no. Scary. Damn, guys, I almost died. No, I was about to press the record button. Oh my god, the fucking bridge like almost like bleh. Oh, guys, I was about to say that we are now by the beach, and it's my favorite like area of this because the beach is so long. And yeah, oh my god. What the fuck?
No.
How could like they not have? I think I literally stepped on like the wrong plank.
For you.
But yeah, wait, I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my god. That was so windy. Guys, we're now on the beach. Oh, she's changing. But it's so windy, but it's actually not that windy the further down we were, right? It was so windy up there, but yeah. It's like so nice. It's not that many people right now, so guys, you see the sea. It's so wavy.
And this is my favorite drink ever. It's a Swedish one. Swedish bubbly chocolate. We have some melon, honey melon, and then Galileo melon or something like that. I don't know. Yeah. Guys, we're not at Les Kitchen, and this is red curry, and this is red curry and duck, and I have shrimp, and yeah. I'm so tired. We're sleeping at the beach. For real. Guys, we are at Greta's Talk. Like it's a rooftop bar. It's super cute. And we're drinking. Yes. A bit. Hello guys. It is 13th August, Tuesday, 8 AM. And we are now in the train. We're going to Malmö. And then we're gonna have brunch with Donne in Malmö, and then like walk around a little bit, and then we're going to the airport, leave our bags, and then go into the center of Copenhagen. What is your review of Halmstad? Halmstad.
I really loved it. Like the city is small, but so like cozy, not cozy, but like so welcoming and everything. And I really loved the places that you took me. That it was like no people and like nature and everything was so good. So I would rate it a 7.5 out of 10.
If it was better weather, I think also it would be better. But yeah. Bye Halmstad. See you in whenever. Okay guys, I'm here with Donne. What's the name of this again? What? What's the name of this?
Atrium.
Atrium, yes. Then Julia, she took avocado with poached egg. Took scrambled eggs, and Donne took a sandwich and iced coffee and tea and yeah. Guys. Hello guys. We are now on the train to Copenhagen. We just left our bags in by the airport, and now we're gonna go to Copenhagen and walk around, look around, and do some tourist things and go shopping and stuff like that. And yeah, we had like lunch with Donne in Malmö, and no, brunch, and that was really nice. Yeah, it's good weather out. See y'all. Guys, we are in Copenhagen now. We've been walking around the shops, and now we took a break, took some coffee because we need it. What? Because we need it. Guys, we are meeting at Cantina. It's an Italian restaurant. It looks so good, but they have like the kitchen closed, so we're just like not gonna drink and wait. But yeah, it's super nice decor. And we are gonna share a beer. Guys, Danish crowns is so fucking expensive.
Oh my god, and like 2 coffees were like 13 euros or something like that, like the price.
Guys, the fries, mussels, the rabbit's ragu, and the vodka pasta.